like I look like I didn't try, but y'all saw that I did try. Okay, so that's Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kai Rashawn. Today's video is brought to you by HerGivenHair. They were kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. This is the most natural install that I have ever done on my channel. I'm so proud of myself. So if you want to see how I got this unit from A to Slay, make sure you go ahead and stay tuned for that. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this one in the future. Let's go.
NY to LA with it. NY to LA with it. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling. Feel like I hit the lottery, I'm proud of me, yeah. No babe proud of me, so I throw pride away. She know I stuck to the plan and I stayed out the way. Now we're spending no money, never touching the bank. Just from me the game and I'ma get it done. Don't do it for fame, do it for the ones. Ace with cigar, my damage my lungs. Wifey want to drive, she get what she want. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling. My baby called me and said she need to stay. Be for real, 25 the other type of kid. Stop playing with me, you know that you here to stay. Stop playing with me, I'll be back home in 8. Know I'm on the go, but I'm not over you. Made you far from home, but I'm so close to you. Gotta get that back like I'm supposed to do. Had to rush hurry up cause I'm overdue. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride.
Let's go to work, cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above the door, meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all, I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again, yeah. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. I start to believe in myself and life will be sweet again. let it go, let it go. And I start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet again.
Y'all, did we get her together or did we get her together? Now, like I said, this unit comes to us from HerGivenHair. It is their Hearing Your Curls lace front wig. All the specs that I got from my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out for yourself, you can definitely do that. Now, as always, HerGivenHair caps do run small on me. It just doesn't cover my sides at all, so normally my sides are out. Most of my sides are out right here. The lace kind of stops right here, and then this is me down here. But the way I kind of finagled the straight hairs around my hairline, it gives me such a natural look that you can't really tell where my hair ends and the wig begins. You get what I'm saying? So, you know, I'm here for that. The lace melted down like perfection as always. Y'all, this unit came together like a dream. The entire look that I had inside my head has now translated to my scalp, and y'all, I am so proud of myself. I am so happy that I did the twist out on this unit with the flexi rods, and I know some of you guys may be like, that's double the work, but for the look that I wanted, I needed to do that to kind of stretch my hair out and keep it stretched. If I would have just twisted the unit up, when I dried it, it would have shrunk. I wanted it to keep the length with no heat whatsoever. So the only way I knew to do that was to use the flexi rods and to pin it up and then put it in front of my fan to let, you know, dry that way. It also gave me like a week old twist out type of look, which is what I wanted. I didn't want the curls or the twist to be super defined. I wanted it to be very lived in, kind of like I look like I didn't try, but y'all saw that I did try. Okay, so that's good. And I didn't want to have no hair in my face, so I made sure I pulled it all back and got this hairline together. Y'all saw I didn't really do a lot of baby swoops or nothing like that. I wanted the hair to look as natural as possible. Like, this is my hair growing from my scalp, and y'all, I did it. I did it, Brenda. Listen. Now, you saw my install for my prep. I did co-wash the unit with some conditioner as well as use my detangler brush. Now, because I've worked with this brand a lot and I've also worked with their textures a lot, I do know their hair can sometimes shed, you know, a little bit more than normal because it's so tightly curled and it's kind of, you know, packed and matted into the packaging when you get it. So I kind of expected that with this. However, I didn't get that. I did not have a lot of shedding. Using my conditioner in the warm water, my hair got together real quick. Yes, I said my hair because it's on my head and it looks good on me. Okay, listen. But it made it so much easier to dry. I didn't use no products in my hair whatsoever. No extra conditioner, no curl cream, no nothing. My hair was just damp from the co-wash. I twisted it up, and that's how this unit is sitting on my head right now. Listen, this looks so good to me. If you want to define your curls, you can do that. I have a lot of videos on my channel of me defining curls, especially on HerGivenHair units. If you want to do a twist out on your unit and have it look more defined, guess what? You can do that as well. The color is gorgeous. It's stepping with me into the fall, and I'm here for it, okay? What some of y'all might not be here for is the price point, but I talk about this all the time, so you know it's nothing new. But if you are new to my channel, HerGivenHair does run pretty high on the spectrum of lace front wigs. So if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, this may not be the one for you, but I do have other units on my channel that you may be interested in. I mean, listen, get into the looks. Get into the looks, y'all. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to HerGivenHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for my unit as well as my specs down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.